One bite, and you know it's something special. The very first bite says it all. A genuine smile, pure enjoyment, and that unmistakable look that says, wow, this is delicious. The secret to this recipe isn't just the ingredients, it's
so
the
good.
proportions. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact measurements that transform ordinary zucchini into something incredibly crispy, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. Why exactly 250 grams of zucchini? And not more? There's a reason for that, so keep watching. And if you enjoy easy, healthy recipes like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Ingredients: zucchini, 250 grams, carrot, 100 grams, farmer's cheese, 5 to 9% fat, 200 grams, cornmeal, 5 to 6 tablespoons, all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons, walnuts, 50 grams, hard cheese, 50 to 70 grams, the secret ingredient, olive oil, 2 teaspoons. Start with 250 grams of zucchini, about the size of one medium zucchini. An important tip: after grating it, squeeze out most of the moisture, but not all. Retain about 20% of the liquid. This is what will keep the pancakes tender and juicy inside. But what happens if you squeeze out all the moisture? Read on. Now add 100 grams of grated carrots, about the size of one small carrot. They will add a natural sweetness that perfectly balances the savory flavors. That's what makes these pancakes so delicious: carrots. And now the ingredient that makes this breakfast truly filling: 200 grams of farmer's cheese, cottage cheese, 5 to 9% fat. Why 5 to 9% fat and not fat-free? Because it provides a rich flavor, creamy texture, and plenty of high-quality protein to help support growing bodies. For many teenagers, this breakfast is filling enough to keep them full until lunch, even on a busy school day. Next, add 2 eggs. They help bind all the ingredients together, adding even more protein. Now pour in 50 milliliters of kefir. It helps create a lighter, fluffier texture. Just don't add too much, otherwise the pancakes won't be as crispy. So how does kefir make the batter so light? Now onto the ingredient that changes everything: 5 to 6 tablespoons of cornmeal, or fine polenta. Why cornmeal and not regular wheat flour? Because it's the secret to that irresistible golden crispy crust that leaves everyone asking for more. What's really behind that incredible crunch? Now add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose or whole wheat flour. It depends on the desired texture. And now it's time for the secret ingredient I mentioned at the very beginning. Add 50 to 70 grams of freshly grated hard cheese. Parmesan, cheddar, or sulaguni all work beautifully. Why exactly 50 to 70 grams and not more? Because that's the sweet spot. It's just enough to create a rich, savory flavor without overpowering the fresh taste of the vegetables. As the cheese melts together with the zucchini and garlic, the aroma becomes absolutely irresistible. So why does cheese make these fritters so appealing, even for picky eaters? It softens the vegetable flavor and adds a deep, savory richness that makes every bite more satisfying. Even people who usually aren't excited about zucchini may be pleasantly surprised. The result tastes less like vegetables and more like something you'd happily order at a modern brunch cafe. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavor. Now it's time to mix the batter. Here's an important tip: don't overmix it. About 10 to 12 gentle folds are all you need. If you keep mixing, the fritters can become dense and chewy instead of light and tender. Now let the batter rest for 5 minutes. During that time, the cornmeal absorbs the extra moisture, giving the batter the perfect consistency. So why exactly 5 minutes and not 10? Now let's cook them. Option 1. waffle maker. For the crispiest texture, cook the batter in a waffle maker for 4 to 5 minutes over medium heat. The outside turns beautifully golden, while the inside stays soft and moist. Why does medium heat work better than high heat? Because it gives the fritters enough time to cook through while developing a perfectly crisp crust without burning the cheese. Option 2. Frying pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side over medium heat. Wait until the edges are golden and the fritter releases easily from the pan before flipping. How can you tell it's ready to turn? That's the sign. Option 3. Oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 to 20 minutes. The oven version uses less added oil and is wonderfully tender, although it won't be quite as crispy as the waffle maker or skillet. So why doesn't the oven create the same crispy crust? I'll explain the science behind that in just a moment.
Take a look at that. The outside is beautifully golden and perfectly crispy. Inside, it's soft, juicy, and wonderfully tender, with melted cheese and farmer's cheese creating a rich, creamy texture. The coarsely chopped walnuts add little bursts of crunch and a deep, nutty flavor that makes every bite even more satisfying. So, why does the combination of crispy, creamy, and crunchy textures make these fritters so irresistible? Now let's serve them. Serving idea 1. Enjoy them just as they are, with a generous spoonful of sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh dill. Simple, fresh, and absolutely delicious. Why does sour cream pair so well with these fritters? Serving idea 2. My favorite. Turn them into an amazing breakfast sandwich. Slice a fritter in half, add a slice of ham or smoked turkey, a fresh tomato slice, and your favorite savory sauce. It transforms a simple fritter into a hearty cafe-style breakfast. Which sauce takes the sandwich to the next level? Do you like zucchini pancakes?